Most people think apple cider vinegar doesn't work. But the truth is, 90% of people are using it in a way that completely cancels its benefits. You might be drinking it every day. You might be forcing it down even though it tastes bad. And you might be wondering why nothing is changing. Better digestion doesn't happen. Bloating doesn't go away. Weight doesn't move. Blood sugar stays the same. And it's not because apple cider vinegar is useless. It's because no one showed you the correct way to use it. Apple cider vinegar is not magic. It's not a miracle cure. But when it's used properly, it can support digestion, metabolism, blood sugar balance, and gut health in powerful ways. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make apple cider vinegar work for your body instead of against it. Not with complicated routines, not with expensive products, but with a few simple science-backed adjustments that anyone can follow. If you want real results, not hype, here is the right way to use apple cider vinegar. For thousands of years, apple cider vinegar has been used in traditional medicine for digestion, energy, and cleansing. The main active compound inside apple cider vinegar is called acetic acid. This compound helps slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, improves insulin sensitivity, supports stomach acid production, and activates digestive enzymes. But high-quality apple cider vinegar also contains enzymes, beneficial bacteria, amino acids, and plant compounds that work together to create real benefits. This is why the type of apple cider vinegar you choose matters more than most people realize. Many bottles on store shelves are filtered and pasteurized, which removes the living compounds. You want raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. The mother looks cloudy and sometimes stringy, and that is a good sign. It means the vinegar still contains living cultures that support gut health. Without the mother, you are mostly drinking flavored acid, which greatly reduces the benefits. Another major mistake people make is drinking apple cider vinegar straight. Some believe the burning sensation means it is working, but in reality, that burning is irritation. Undiluted apple cider vinegar can damage tooth enamel, irritate the throat, inflame the esophagus, and upset the stomach lining. The correct way is to always dilute it. Start with 1 teaspoon in a large glass of water. After a few days, you can increase to 2 teaspoons, and eventually up to 1 tablespoon if tolerated. There is no need to go higher than this. More is not better. What matters is gentle, consistent use. Diluting apple cider vinegar protects your teeth and digestive tract while still delivering the active compounds that create benefits. Timing also plays a huge role. The best time to take apple cider vinegar is 15 to 30 minutes before a meal. This allows it to stimulate stomach acid and digestive enzymes before food arrives. When digestion is prepared, food breaks down more efficiently, nutrients are absorbed better, and less undigested food sits in the gut. This means less gas, less bloating, and less discomfort. Taking apple cider vinegar before meals can also slow the rise of blood sugar after eating, which is extremely helpful for people struggling with insulin resistance, pre-diabetes, or energy crashes after meals. If you only remember once per day, take it before your largest meal. Apple cider vinegar can become even more effective when paired with simple natural additions. A small squeeze of fresh lemon adds vitamin C and supports liver function. A teaspoon of raw honey improves taste and provides antioxidants. A pinch of cinnamon may help stabilize blood sugar. A small amount of grated ginger supports digestion and reduces inflammation. You do not need to add everything. Even one of these additions can enhance both flavor and benefits, making it easier to stay consistent. It is important to understand that apple cider vinegar does not burn fat overnight, and it does not erase years of unhealthy habits. What it does is support your body's natural systems so they function better. When digestion improves, nutrient absorption improves. When blood sugar becomes more stable, cravings decrease. When appetite is better regulated, overeating becomes less likely. These small changes create a powerful chain reaction inside the body. Many people notice less bloating and better digestion within a few days. Blood sugar improvements often appear within a few weeks. Weight-related changes usually happen gradually over 1 to 3 months. Slow progress is real progress. Consistency is the real secret. Drinking apple cider vinegar for 3 days and quitting will not produce meaningful results.
Using a small, diluted dose once or twice daily over weeks and months is what creates change. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You do not brush once and expect perfect teeth forever. You brush daily. Apple cider vinegar works the same way. Small daily actions create long-term results. As we age, stomach acid production naturally declines. Low stomach acid leads to poor protein digestion, bloating, nutrient deficiencies, and fatigue. Apple cider vinegar gently supports stomach acidity, which helps your body break down protein into amino acids. These amino acids are essential for maintaining muscle, supporting hormones, and repairing tissues. This makes apple cider vinegar especially valuable for adults over 40.
There are a few safety notes to remember. If you have stomach ulcers, severe acid reflux, or gastritis, speak with a healthcare professional before using apple cider vinegar. If you experience burning, nausea, or discomfort, reduce the dose or stop. Apple cider vinegar should feel supportive, not painful. Always listen to your body. Let's be clear about something important. Apple cider vinegar does not fail people. People fail to use apple cider vinegar correctly. When you choose raw, unfiltered vinegar with the mother, dilute it properly, take it before meals, pair it with simple natural enhancers, and stay consistent, you give apple cider vinegar the chance to do what it is known for. So start simple. 1 teaspoon, 1 glass of water, 1 time before a meal. Do this daily. Let your body respond. Give it time. Give it consistency, and you may be surprised by how something so simple can create meaningful changes in how you feel every single day. Remember, real health is not built through extreme shortcuts or miracle products. It is built through small habits done consistently. Apple cider vinegar is not a magic potion, but when you use it the right way, it becomes a powerful daily support for your digestion, blood sugar, energy, and overall wellness. You do not need perfection. You do not need expensive supplements. You only need simple, smart choices repeated every day. Start with 1 small glass. Stay consistent. Let your body do what it was designed to do. If this helped you understand apple cider vinegar in a new way, make sure to like this video so more people can learn the correct method. Subscribe to the channel for more simple, science-backed health tips you can actually use. And comment below the word ACV if you're ready to start today and take control of your health naturally.